Start off with a look. We have some traffic issues going on right now. SR 16 near the I-5 interchange there, for folks just west of the Tacoma area, where they're blocking off a couple of lanes because, well, the snowfall seems to be a little bit of a problem. Slick conditions, especially on those bridges where you've got the cold air above it, the cold air below it, and then you've got icy conditions that could technically develop. And then something on more of a lighter note, in West Seattle, that didn't stop players from getting on out and enjoying some snow soccer. You know, when it's practice time, no matter what's going on weather-wise. Anyway, love the photo, love the folks out there. We got to watch for black ice tomorrow in a couple of spots, especially where we're seeing the snow accumulate. Roads are a little damp, and as you can see, temperatures are now dropping at or below freezing in many spots. So skies are clearing. Bottom line is just be careful tomorrow morning if you head out the door along your morning commute. So UW high-resolution model snowfall accumulation forecast. We've already seen 1 to 2 inches in most places across Puget Sound. That's today's little system, or tonight's. Then we get a gap tomorrow, and then a new system rolls in as we head into Friday and Saturday. That'll bring more snow for the higher terrain, but here locally it's not going to be much. Like I said, trace to 2 inches is what we will likely see. Winter storm warning in effect until we head into, winter weather advisory is what they should say, for areas in purple from the San Juans, Port Angeles, all the way down your I-5 corridor. Here's the picture now. Flurry activity still present, but we're not seeing much in the form of accumulation in the Seattle area. We are seeing a little bit more of that for the foothills and the higher terrain. I wanted to zoom in a little bit. Kitsap Peninsula, you're still seeing a few of the flurry activity, a few areas of flurry activity. And then Tacoma seems to be one of the bullseyes in Federal Way. You've already picked up a couple of inches, and man, it is still stubborn in your neck of the woods. It might be a little bit more troublesome tomorrow morning for you folks in that region. Another batch coming in off the coast. Of course, once it hits that landfall, it is that mix of precip that we're seeing. A lot of it's snow, obviously. This is a look at 5:30 in the morning. Promise, as promised, skies clear. Some sunshine, get the shades. Just be careful early. The sun will be a nice break because we'll have a bit of a break tomorrow most of the day. This thing continue to go. Come on, let's go, let's go. Okay, new system now on Friday. This one's going to be introducing a little bit of a mix, as you can see, all the way down towards the surface. Everything above, let's say 500 feet, it'll be just pure snowfall, and then we stay somewhat active for the weekend as well. But those storms this weekend probably will transition to rainfall, at least in the Puget Sound area. Snow level this weekend will bump to about 1,000 feet. So that gives you an idea of where we are headed. 37, the high tomorrow, that'll be chilly. 38 on Friday, 39 on Saturday. And as you can see, we'll still be in the mix, but enjoy the sun while we have it.